The Arrabelle.
Arrabelle, okay. Series 5.
This doesn't work on this side.
These are very fancy cabs. Look at those ceilings.
These are nice.
And
Cool.
there's no cargo.
Oh, these are very nice.
This regular Gen 2 traction. I think it's Gen 2.
I think Gen 2. It's the older Gen 2 though.
The good kind.
Yes. Get a view out the guest floor. Ooh, this is pretty. Elevator to spa? Look, there's another elevator.
We'll ride that one in a bit.
This is beautiful.
We gotta do our down video on this one.
Yeah, I just want to look at it quick. Oh, it's a ways over. It's a ways over there. This is a really. This is a very pretty building. Beautiful property.
Our elevator stayed for us. I didn't know. Squish.
These are some of the nicest Gen 2s I've ever seen.
It does have a card reader on it. I have one.
I'm just gonna get a view of this cab.
We might not get a complete down trip.
Yeah, these are a little busy, it seems. These are beautiful though.
Garage 2. Here we go. Want to go back to 6?
Sure.
We'll walk over to this pile then. Get a single. And the walls are cushy. They're not like hard. My focus is a little off.
And